you Sudanese people for what you have done. If you try to help us, we can do many things like pictures and the other thing we can going to do there if we go back to Sudan. I'm very happy and thank you.
In US who've taken the initiative of helping us to express our God-given talents, and also other well-wishers from different institutes in US. We are really struggling to express our ability in this world, but the problem is the resources. But since you have expressed that that feeling of helping us with what we are having on the ground, we are very encouraged, and I believe we are going to do a lot to make sure that we let this talent be known. And also I want to thank specifically the Sudanese Education Fund, who have also taken the initiative to make sure that they remember us, their brothers who are still in the camp, that as we struggle, I thank God who has made them also struggle with us in this continent of ours, and I believe we are going to do our best to make sure that we let it known to the world. May God bless you.
I'm Sudanese by nationality. There's nothing that we can say it now. It's just to give the word of appreciations as you have did to us also. We have read some of the papers before here. What we have got from you is just a word of appreciations, and this is what we are still giving back to you. Because whatever that is done to a person, the other person whose thing that has been done to him cannot forget it. So keep on like that. God will keep us together, and thank you.
He's coming? Yeah, leave her. Let's go ahead.
Have a fear.
So, are you ready to